Hello everybody, we're gonna be playing Slime RNG Part 2. Oh, offline earnings 32.8 million. Dang, that's a lot, bro. I can go to heaven now. Last time where we stopped off, this is I forgot what this like the what area is this?
I'm playing too.
We're at like I forgot the name of this area. I think it shows us in here. No, whatever. Go ahead and buy heaven. 22 mil. Okay, we do a couple upgrades actually. Oh, let me stop this. Alright. Yo, wait, what's the upgrade? Yo. Alright, I was able to open up our upgrades. Let's see. We're at 22 minutes, so what should we upgrade right now? Oh, we can fight them. Okay. It's an enemy rush. Ooh. Let's pull up the. Where's my gun at? Oh, there it goes. Oh, die. Man, it's taking pretty long time to kill these things. Let me get my back. I want to merge. There's a merge machine right here. Oh, crap. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, look, somebody else. What's a raid? Damn, only doing 201 damage. I gotta do auto. Oh yeah, here's What do we get? Okay. That isn't really that good, bro. Frankenstein. No, that's not really that good. Frankenstein. And also, I'm not showing my face because all T40. Last time for my face was not very good. How much damage is this movie? Only 29. I wonder if we can sell this thing. I got 26 of them. 53 of them. It doesn't matter about the rarity, it matters about how much damage they do. 2 times luck, bro. Luck, not lucky. Okay. So I was just grinding offline, and I got this one, Spidey. Yeah, he does like, how much damage he does? 43. He has 121 health. I'll see y'all in a little bit after finding the good ones while I'm grinding my time. I just got another good one. This one is Big Glow. 300 plus 100. Oh shoot. You upgrade me? Like, alright, so yeah, I'll see y'all a little bit. I guess every good like new slime that I get, I'll probably show it to y'all. The new one named Musty. 50 damage, 148 health, which is very good, I guess. We're still only at 237 damage right now in total. And to get our first raid, we would need to get 2,000. So at this point, even if I get a new time, I will show y'all if once we get to 2,000. Yo, I just got 239,144 strength, 420 health. Oh my god! I just had to show y'all that one, bro. Golly, bro. Okay, we got like 54 million. Okay, we got like 54 million, so we can go inside there. So, 2, 3. Let's go. Whack a slime. Alright, let's see this. 20. Dang, bro, that turns back to 1 million. Okay. I did a little bit of grinding offline. A little bit rich. How much? What did I get? Look at this, bro. I didn't even realize I was in there making breakfast. Oh my god, bro. Should we rebirth? Oh, all slimes are kept? All our stuff goes back to 0 then. You know what? I don't feel like rebirthing. Let's try this. Alright, whack a slime, y'all ready? Ready? Let's hit. Oh, we can only get the slime. Wait, let me get this stuff off my screen, bro. There you go. Ready? can't even touch. Oh, let's go. I won. Let's see what we get. Okay, we didn't really get nothing from that. 82 mil. Yeah, I've been grinding a lot. Got 3 rolls. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Shiny dice. Oh man. 43 million. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Lightning food. Alright. Let's see. Items. Big dice. What's this? I don't know what a level is. Okay. Let's use this. Big leafy. Probably gonna grind out to 200 million. I'm at 216 million or around it. So this will be our last thing. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, please, for part 3. And yeah. Cool. Alright, bye. See you.